Welcome to the instructional video on how to use the 20-watt mini fiber laser marking machine by HeatSign's. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of operating the powerful tool to achieve the precise and professional markings on your products. Let's get started.
Step 1. Powering on the machine. Ensure that the machine is connected to a reliable power source. Press the power button located on the control panel to turn it on. Wait for the machine to initialize. Step 2. Loading the material. Attaching the accessories for fixing the material to the workbench. Place your desired material, whether it's stainless steel, aluminum, brass, or any other compatible material, onto the marking area. Make sure it is securely positioned and aligned for accurate markings. Step 3. Enter the marking content and set the marking parameters. Use more convenient cell phones to operate. Open the wireless network settings, connect to eMark, and then open the app. On the screen, you'll find a variety of printing options. Choose your preferred language, date format, and other settings to customize your marking experience. The next section will demonstrate how to add text content, repositioning, and resizing. Once the text has been entered and adjusted, the marking parameters can be set. This includes selecting the marking pattern, adjusting the laser power, setting the marking speed, and choosing the appropriate focal length. Next, adjust the height of the laser head through the hand wheel. When you see the 3 small red dots overlap, it means the focal length is correct. In the marking process, press preview on the phone screen to locate the content by the red box. Click mark to start marking. Observe the machine as it swiftly and precisely creates permanent markings on the material. Step 5. Inspecting the marked product. After the machine completes the marking process, carefully remove the marked product from the machine. Inspect the marking quality and ensure it meets your desired standards.
Thank you for watching our instructional video. We hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights on how to utilize the full potential of the 20-watt mini fiber laser marking machine. For further assistance or any inquiries, please do not hesitate to reach out our knowledgeable support team. HeatSign's marking excellence with every project.